have had it. After the death of Siddhartha, I wrote a small poem. I don't have that with me. ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದ ಕಾಫಿ ಡೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ನಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯಲಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ. I just composed that. It was very emotional and it was very disturbing, and the whole nation got shocked. All the corporate leaders, the corporate world got shocked when they heard the suicide of Mr. Siddhartha. So this is where the problem is, and if there is a violation of human right by the police force, there is a human rights court. There is a police grievances redressal authority. You can approach the different layers, different mechanisms are available. But in the case of violation of human right by a tax officer, I do not see a proper system or a mechanism in place which takes care of the abuse or misuse, or what we call as students of law, malfeasance, misfeasance and non-feasance of his powers. So that is the reason I pray that GST becomes God save taxpayer and not just the tax. This is where I am coming from. I do not want to take much time. I know that you have already had 2-3 sessions. At the end, I would like to draw your attention to one of the historical decisions rendered by His Lordship Justice Vinit Kumar Kothari, if I am right. In a case where in Bangalore, a commissioner of service tax who had illegally dismissed an appeal was imposed a penalty of ₹1 lakh, which is to be deducted from the salary of the commissioner. And the High Court said a disciplinary action has to be initiated against the commissioner for deciding the matter against the law of the land. So unless and until we have such an activist judiciary, it will be extremely difficult to say that let the person be arrested within 24 hours, he will be produced before the magistrate. Now, I would like to definitely conclude because the time is running out. My friend Colin was mentioning about rise in litigation. Litigations are popping up. That's definitely a bad news, but for the students of law, I would say it's definitely good news to start your practice in the field of tax law. There are very few lawyers are entering the tax practice. That particular domain is completely dominated, I would say, by the learned chartered accountants. My friend Collins is one of the leading topmost tax practitioners in the state of Karnataka. So I advise my young friends, especially lawyers, please get into tax practice. Don't think that lawyer means just going to the civil court or a criminal court. There are a lot of opportunities in the field of tax law also. With these words, I would like to conclude because I would have definitely enjoyed discussing about or analyzing the decision of the Telangana High Court. What I will do, I will share this judgment copy with Sir Ravindra Sir, who will circulate it, or maybe you can share your number, WhatsApp number, so that this judgment can be shared with you. Please go through that. I am sure this is something which should be discussed in the classroom by the professor who is teaching law of crimes. Understand how code of criminal procedure, tax law, constitution, liberties, freedom, much wider issues are involved. With these words, I thank the institution for giving this opportunity, and also thank you all of you. Thanks very much.